Welcome back, friends. If you're a Lightroom app user on a Samsung Galaxy device, you've probably noticed that over time, a large amount of cache memory can accumulate, which can slow down the app's performance. Clearing the cache can be beneficial to free up space and improve the speed of Lightroom on your device. In this tutorial, I'll show you in detail how to clear the Lightroom app cache on your Samsung Galaxy phone, enabling you to efficiently manage your photos and enhance your overall user experience. If you're ready, let's get started with the process. First, open Settings. Then scroll down until you find the Apps option and tap on it. Now, to quickly and easily find the Lightroom app, tap on the search bar in the top right corner. In the search bar, type Lightroom, then tap on the app. Scroll down now and tap on the Storage option. And finally, at the bottom right of the screen, tap on the Clear Cache option, and that's it. You've now cleared the cache of the Lightroom app. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel to receive notifications about future tutorials. See you soon and thank you for watching.